Hi guys, welcome to my training room again, and I'm with you guys again with the second part of this video that was avoiding my white ball while coming out with the ball cushion, avoiding ball colors, and that is only the case if you play a bad shot on the blue ball. It's like a recovery shot playing. If you've played a good shot, then you shouldn't be needing this shot, but still these shots occurs, so we better get ready. This is a bit of an advanced practice or advanced shot which I am showing you today, but you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it so we can start this practice routine of the day. And just make sure that don't take these shots literally. You have to practice these shots, spend some time and do the recommended practice shots at least to give you the idea. In this case, I'm going to play a short one, and I'm going to bring my white ball between brown and yellow, hitting the ball cushion and then coming off to the right cushion towards pink and the red. So let me play my shot one, and this shot I'm going to play stun, slightly stunish shot with top left hand side, as you can see in the picture. Let the cue go through, stay still, stay steady, and you can see how side makes our white ball go a bit faster, and the moment it hits the cushion, the ball cushion, it moves, it pushes our white ball towards right cushion, and then right cushion throws it towards the colors or towards the path we're intending. Just keep in mind that at this time of moment we're just practicing the shot, not playing for the position, but just to learn how we can avoid ball colors and play our shots. In this shot, because a different camera angle, we are playing top right hand side, and you can see the side how it pushes white ball towards the red ball or our intending path. So you have to practice these shots quite a few times to understand how this works, and you get familiar with the practice after playing so many shots, and you get familiar with the shot and you know what to do when it comes or occurs in the game. Sorry, still not well, but still working. So I'm going to play a shot 2, and in this case I'm going to bring my white ball between brown and green, playing with the bottom right hand side and hitting the ball color and then the left cushion. I can see there's a side in it, and now side pushes it off from the cushion, and now I'm in a very good position on the red ball. Even though I'm not playing positional play, but still you can see that the line is correct and you play a shot well, you can come in a better position with this shot. So let's play this shot again. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it. Again, same shot, bottom right hand side, as showing on the ball on the screen. You can see there's a right hand side in the shot, and that's it. It's again a good position. It's just so tempting. Let me just spot this ball. Okay, so keep practicing these shots, because sometimes these shots becomes a key shot or very important shot. Say if you need another red and a color, and you are out of position on the blue and you have to come back for a red, then you have to play these shots. Obviously I always recommend, or any decent coach would recommend, not to play with sides, but not playing and not knowing is two different things. So at least you should know how to play, and if you've done a practice on these shots, then definitely these will help you for your game and improve the quality of your play, and makes your life easier when you're playing a snooker with your friends or even in the tournament. But don't be hasty. Try to practice this part 1 of this video, and avoid brown only from both sides of the table. And then once you are confident and with the sides, and you can go through my different videos on sides, applying sides with the stun side, screw with sides, and then you can start practicing on these shots. But make sure when you start practicing, do reasonable number of shots, in practice, so you get comfortable with the shot and do not hesitate when it comes to the game. So thank you very much. Take care.